Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna. Hello to my new subscribers. For today's video, I'm going to show you another things to draw when bored for beginners. So I'm going to use my Suki brush pen, and I'm using also Bristol paper for this surface for today. So let's get started. Now when you're bored, I advise just to look for one subject like this. Yes, a lemon, or anything that you can think of, just one. And this is my example for today's drawing idea, and I'm going to think how can I draw this lemon in different ways. So if you are overwhelmed of too many ideas, why not try to draw one subject at a time but in different ways. Not only it will open up your mind for new adventure, for a creative drawing habit, but also widening your thinking or imagination. This is really great, especially if you're trying to fill up your sketchbook or you're just starting to fill your sketchbook. So let's just try to draw some halves or whole ones. And how about try a lemon with leaves? So this is just a very basic line drawings. How about some slice ones? Drawing it in a simple way will help you generate many drawing ideas quickly, and try to draw different slices of lemons, and you will be amazed of how many you can draw. So this is one of my secrets to drawing things when I'm bored, but at the same time I'm not relying heavily on references, and doing quick sketches are really great for a line drawing exercise. If you enroll or watch my new Skillshare class, I share some tips and styles for line drawing, and you can check it out if you want. Below in the description box, you can check it out. And I will also include some flower, or I'll try to just change some styles to play around with different cuts of lemons. So this is another summer drawing ideas you can try, and it's also a challenge because you don't have to use a pencil to draw different kinds or sizes. As you get confident in drawing lines, it will be really a natural thing that you can do without just grabbing any pencil, and you can apply this technique or ideas or any subject by thinking outside the box too. It will help you gather some more ideas to draw when you are bored. So one subject is equivalent to endless ideas. So one of the reasons I like to draw like this, because it practices your hands with drawing curve and straight lines. See, sometimes when you are looking for things to draw, you are also training your hands for drawing, and it's very beneficial for your hand control and muscle memory. And once I have that lemon in my mind, I could just slice it up or imagine it. Or if, for example, you find it hard to draw from your imagination, try to cut its subject or pieces in front of you. So I also decided to add some words describing my subjects to create some cohesive illustrations or designs around the lemons. And this is really a fun drawing exercise too, because even though it's quick, you can create different kinds of ideas in this amount. But if, for example, you have lots of time, you can do different versions, different kinds of fruits, or any subject that you can see. If you're looking for more drawing ideas or things to draw when you're bored, you can check on the end screen or playlist in my channel, and I hope it will help you with gathering of drawing ideas for your next project. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching my videos for today, and I hope I help you with drawing ideas to fill for your sketchbook, art journals, or your art project. Please subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!